So one of the most requested videos I get on this channel is to make a video about how to set up your mirrors. A lot of my videos are about driving fast and spirited driving and enjoying your car, but I get why people are asking me this. It's because of the POV angle gives you a clear representation of my mirrors, and my mirrors are usually set pretty much bang on. And then you sit back in your own car and you're thinking, oh, my mirrors are not set up as well as this. So you might notice my mirrors, I've ruined them, they're completely wrong, none of them are pointing in the right direction. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a really simple way to set your mirrors up to help you guys out with this problem. What you're going to do is you're going to come to a car park and you're going to find an empty space and you're going to line your car up with that space. Right, so I am now in line with this parking space, and all you're going to do is very simple. You just move your mirrors to where you can see your door handle, a little bit of your car, and the lines for parking. Also, very important when you're doing this, you want to keep your head in the same position it would normally be in. So when you're doing it, don't lean forward, don't slouch super far back, just put yourself in a neutral position as you normally would be in. So let's start with the driver's side one. So all we're going to do is first, we're going to move the mirror so that we can find the door handle. There we go, we see the door handle, and we can actually see the line now. What we're going to do is we're going to move the mirror side to side as far as we can to where we can still see the door handle, which is about there. And then for up and down, it's almost personal preference. If you were parking, you might want to have your mirror really far down, but you want to see what's behind you. So what I like to do is have that horizon somewhere in the middle of the mirror. That's probably too low, we can't see the line anymore. So we want to still be able to see the line and the horizon. I think something like that's quite nice. Actually, I might go one further this way. There we go. We can still see the handle, we can just see the back of our car, we can see the line, and we can see the horizon. I think that's good. Right, let's have a look at the other side. This is also ruined. So let's find the door handle. There it is. And we can now see I've parked kind of skew-if. It's a bit hard to park your car between the lines when you don't have mirrors. We want to put the handle somewhere in that bottom corner, just like we have on the other side, right? There we go. I think something like that's pretty nice. You can see the handle, you can see the back of the car, and you can see the line. I'm just going to readjust the car. So now when you're parking, you can quite easily see the lines. Perfect. You might see the angle of the line on this side comes in and the angle of the line on that side goes out. But that is perfect because there's a different angle to that mirror than there is to this mirror. This mirror is closer, that mirror is further. That's good. And then your center mirror is fairly simple. All you want to do is move it so that you can see your entire rear window. In this car, it's very easy because the two-seater car, the rear window's right here. But what I like to do is move it so that the top of the rear window is just at the top. And then in this car, I can see the two rear seats equally or almost equally on this side. I think I'll actually go a little bit this way. So now these two seats are perfectly even in my vision. And that's it. Boom. Great view, great view, great view. It's all you need. It's actually really simple. Let's go out on the road and see how this all lines up when we're actually driving. Another tip, because a lot of people that ask about this mirror stuff have issues with positioning their car. So my tip to you is as you go around a corner, have a look in your mirror as you're going around the corner and see how far you are from the apex of the corner. I do this every time I get a new car. Watch this corner, look in the mirror. Oh, we're really close that time. I use this all the time when I get a new car to get a sense of the car's size. Even on the right turn, you can watch this mirror, see how close you got to the lines. And the more you do this, you'll build up an understanding of how far you are at any one time. It's really, really useful. That's it, mirrors sorted. Hopefully that helped you guys. If you need anything else like this daily driving type stuff, leave a comment below and let me know what you need. My name's Mick, I drive cars. Peace.